Hi guys, Harrison here from LED Torch Shop, here with a bit of a different one today. I've got one of the brightest torches in the world just in my car here. It's called the Acebeam X70. Now it's 60,000 lumens, and I just want to put that in perspective for you because it is so hard to show you how bright it is. But I'm going to turn my lights on high beam just to show you how bright a high beam car headlamps are. And then we'll just, and then I'll bring out the other torch. I'll bring out the Acebeam. I'll put that on high, and then I'll turn these lights off, and then I'll put that on high again, just to show you exactly how bright this torch is. But I'll go grab it, I'll chuck these on high, and yeah, we'll get it going. Okay, so these are the high beam lights on my car. So as you can see, pretty bright. I mean, not shining crazy distance, but still pretty bright. And now I will show you the Acebeam. That is shining up. That is just turn that off. You can definitely notice the difference. That's not even on high. So if I put it on high, that is killing the high beams. So anyway, I'll turn that off. This is just on, would you believe it, a low mode. So I'll do a little walk around here. Huge tree there. It's got a really nice one deep reflector on the inside, and then it's massive flood around the outsides. But I'll just cycle up. So to cycle up, you just hold it down, hold the button down, sorry. Now that's it's got 3 modes. That's on high. Then to get to turbo, just simply double click it. And as you can see, there is actually quite a little hotspot there, but that is lighting up everything, and compared to my headlights, there is no comparison. And back down, and then down to the low mode, which still easily lights up all these pretty big trees and even further. It does come with a fan as well, because this thing does get really warm. If you're going to be using it on high, I'd be suggesting leaving it on. If you're going to use it on 60,000 lumens, I'd suggest using it on high, just to cool that thing down heaps. But as you can see, I mean, it's going to give you loads of runtime on those lower modes. But like, have a look at how bright that is. And then turbo is phenomenal. And yeah, I'll give you a quick look at the front. I'll just turn this off. I'll turn my head torch on. Yeah, don't know if you can see that. That is what the front is looking like. So one big deep reflector, which is actually a really good thrower, and then you've got a bunch of massive LEDs just around the outside. There's your fan handle, and you've got your on-off switch at the top there. It goes 2 modes, obviously, so you don't want to be blocking that. But yeah, that is the Acebeam X70, and it is a monster of a torch with that 60,000 lumen output. So yeah, go have a look at it. Really cool torch for anyone, yeah, just out there looking for a massive high output torch. It's a really good one. I'll drop a couple links below, and yeah, definitely go have a look at it, guys, because have a look at this. 3, 2, 1, bang. It is so phenomenal. It is so bright, and yeah, you're gonna have loads of fun with it. And I mean, if you're using it properly, if you're using it on the lower settings, you're gonna get loads and loads of runtime. But yeah, Acebeam X70, they make some great products, 5-year warranty, and yeah, this is no exception. Thanks for watching.